Hey folks, it's Nessa here in Infinitely Zero's channel. So, wanted to do a quick video, catch up with things. And of course, now my dog is like saying hi. And no, this is not my dog. So, who is this little guy? This little guy, I called him Spot. Say hi to Spot. And he's a little loaf cat, my first little loaf cat. Anyways, but before we continue on, I want to say hi and welcome to all my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe. You can also feel free to join also as a member. The information is there when you click on the button. Subscribing is free. And I wanted to say also a special hi and welcome to my members. Thank you so much for your continued support. It helps a lot. So now on to the fun stuff. And also what I will be doing on this video is showing a few of the purchases that I've done since the Prime Day last year, and also recently that I'm planning on gifting to my aunt a few of the things. This little guy I think for now is going to stay with me. So I made him with, I think it was Annie Caraway's video tutorial. I'll put the link down in the description box. And I used the Bernat all-in-one yarn. So it actually changed color all on its own. Yeah, he has 4 little feet. Stuffed him with stuffing. I was checking out the eyes that I had bought to send to my aunt along with the tulle, and that came out fine. And I think his little face and ears came out good. And he's actually pretty snuggly, so I'm pretty happy with how he came out. So we're going to let him be here. He's going to be part of the video today. Hopefully he doesn't fall down. Come on, little guy. You got legs, man. Use them. Well, they're more like little stumps, but okay. Hi, buddy. Come here. So I wanted to say this is not the stuff that I'm sending to my aunt. I got a beautiful yarn as a present for a giveaway on Mama G Gear's channel. The link to the channel is up here with the eye. And Rusty is her daughter, is also on the channel. So yes, just very lovely. It was 2 hanks. It's 2 hanks of 100% superwash merino wool, sport weight yarn, 328 yards or 100 grams. This colorway is called Enchanted Forest. So yes, very beautiful, nice and soft too. So that'll be very cool. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for the present. Oh yeah, and it smells lovely. It smells very nice. So yeah, that was wonderful. It was a nice surprise. So on to the other things I want to show. I have a bunch of videos that I still need to catch up on. I'll be away for a bit, so if I have the time, because I still haven't packed yet, I will be releasing the videos, and hopefully some of them I'll be able to pre-record. Anyways, so I got her some pom-poms. I had used these in when a gingerbread man that I made, and I had added them as his little buttons. So they're like craft pom-poms. I guess you can sew them on, or I don't know, maybe glue them, but I don't know where my glue gun is. Or fabric glue. I thought they were pretty cool. They sell these. These are from Walmart, and they're like less than $2 each bag, so I thought that was a great deal. What else? So Amazon had these on sale. It keeps changing which ones are on sale and which ones aren't. I was able to get them for $9, $10, $9.99 something cents. So she wanted a koala. The koala is really cute. She wanted the tiger. And these are the cookie box. They're like a kit to make the amigurumi that's there on the, you know, outside of the metal. And this is a metal tin. Does not have cookies. And it comes with, oh, it doesn't say on there. Oh, well, here. It comes with the stitch markers, tapestry needle, the crochet hook, the yarn needed, and the instructions for the kit. I'll open. I have one open there, so I'll show you guys what it looks like, what comes in it. I did not buy them all. This cute little turtle, and also a bunny. So those are the ones that I have here. So this is what the yarn looks like in the tube. Oh, it comes with the filling. The filling is vacuum sealed. So that's what's inside the content for the tiger, because I need to take some of them out for the tins so that it's less space in my luggage. There we go. So it comes with a sticker, a thank you, and then the other ones that they have, there's like a little teddy with a heart, which is cute, and 2 different colors, and then a brown one and a jellyfish, and that thing on the bottom down there is a clam with a pearl, I guess, and the pearl is pink. Okay, the video tutorials on the other side of this, and that's telling you how the care instructions for it. This is what the yarn looks like. So it's similar to Wooble's yarn. It's soft too. It says it's 68% cotton, 32% nylon. It does not say how much yardage is in these balls. I'm hoping it's enough. And then for the turtle, we have these other 2 different brown colors. This is the hook that comes in. It's a 3mm hook with a little bit of an ergonomic handle there. I haven't used it, so I don't know how it is. And then it comes with a little envelope that's called Cookie Crumbs, and in here it has the eyes and the needle. I think that's it that's in there. So yeah, so that's what one of these looks like. That's about all the size in the bin. Oh yeah, and the filling. This is the filling. Ow, it was on the bottom. It's vacuum sealed to take up less space. It's a good amount, enough for the plushie. Whoops. I just dropped all the inserts. I'll have to get them after the video. Anyways, so I showed those. I saw this crochet box kit on sale. I got the Cthulhu one, but this one's for my aunt. This is the cow. That's like a Christmassy cow. He was on sale for 10 bucks. I don't know if he's still on sale. I got that on Amazon. So this kit, I was meaning to do a video with reviews of other kits that I had gotten, but now it's been like multiple months and I don't even know that they even sell all of them anymore. So this is this guy. He's like a little he's a Christmas cow, Christmas sabs. So I guess that's why he's cheaper, right? Because he's Christmas. And in here they have the code, the password for you know what you're doing, and the pattern is printed here too, which is really nice, which I like, which they did not do for the cookie box. You have to, I don't know, I guess find the pattern. I haven't looked for it yet. And then this one also has a booklet of basic stitch instructions. Ooh, it's pretty. It's like detailed. It has like pictures, I guess tips on how to, like, tips and instructions with the video, with the pictures on how to do the, whoops, there he goes. Bad spot. Oops, he's upside down. Oh, and there went Spot. Oh well. Spot decided to take a trip. So it comes with the filling. This is quite a good amount of filling, so you're probably going to have stuffing left over from this, the polyfill fiber from this box. Oh, I got to get rid of that. This is, you know, those gel things. Well, I guess I can keep it in there. I don't know. I may not take the box. The box takes more. I guess it's Amazon shipping with some code back there. It has this little thing which has where you can wrap up the, it has this, I guess, white yarn with a needle. I guess it's to sew on. They have little white pom-poms in there with little black yarn. Oh, and I guess a glue gun for something. It has the regular, like, safety eyes in here, so I'm not sure what you're supposed to glue. And it has a darning needle in here too. So that's the size of the little eye. It's 2 eyes in there. Whatever. And it came with these two things of yarn, also similar to the Woobles yarn. This one at least started it for you, which is nice, with the magic ring and the stitch markers. It just says soft smooth yarn. It doesn't say, I think it's probably a cotton acrylic blend, but there's no yardage and no, yeah, what it is. So a little bit of red there, a little bit of green, a white and a cream color, and the hook, which is this hook. It's yellow. Maybe they should have done a red or a green hook, but anyways. And this is a 3.5 millimeter hook. I guess that's fine. Let's see if the pattern says what type of hook to use. It's written really small. It doesn't really say, it just says, hey, the kit comes with a 3.5 millimeter size hook, so I guess use that. Anyways, so that was everything for that. I'll see, I think it'll take up a lot less space if I take it out of the box, so I'll probably take it out of the box. Oh, I'm like, where's all the rest of the yarn? And then I'll just label it, this is the cow. Cow kit. So, yeah, that was what was inside the tiger kit. Well, part of it. I left the other stuff inside the tin. What more? So, she wanted some eyes, and it seems that they sell those really expensive over there. So I got these safety eyes. I don't know how many they are, but I like that it was like in a case and they had different sizes. So they have, this was on Amazon. I got this on Amazon. 6 millimeter eye, 8 millimeter black eye, 9 millimeter eye, 10 millimeter eye, 12 millimeter eye, 14 millimeter eyes, 16 millimeter eyes, and 18 millimeter eyes, plus small washers and medium and large washers. Small washers suitable for 16 to 10 millimeter eyes, so the first row. Medium washers suitable for 12 to 14 millimeters, and then larger washers for 16 to 18. So I'm going to have to explain that to her and have her write it down in Spanish, or maybe she'll figure it out. So that says it down there. So that's sort of a disadvantage that it's there in English. But I guess it's kind of common sense, right? If you're doing the large one and you grab a small thing, it's not going to fit. I don't know. Anyways, I had bought these, which are anime type eyes, for myself off of Amazon, and I liked them. We put them on the little gingerbread man that I made down there for her. So I decided to get her some. So that's what they look like in the box, in the kit thing. The bottom are the backs. And they're like black with little like eyes, like they're the white dots, which are like they're twinkling. So they come in sizes 8 to 10 millimeters, 8 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 12 millimeters, 14 millimeters, 16 millimeters. And there's like an oval one and then a circular one. In all those sizes. So it's 2 different styles with all the backs for them. So yeah, I think it's a nice amount, and they stay all nice and organized. For myself, I bought these. They're like glow in the dark. I don't think you can really see them well in there. I like that it came in the little case. They're like reptilian type glow in the dark with the backs. I don't know why they have a panda on that part, but that's what they look like. So I thought they were pretty cool, and they're actually safety eyes with the backs, so that's pretty neat. So those are mine. It's cool that they have those and I didn't have to pay some like outrageous price for them on Etsy. Anyways, and then I got these two, which are like reptilian looking. I guess this was Julie Wang. I haven't used these yet, so I don't know how good they are. It came with the backs. And these are like multicolored, kind of cat eye, lizard, snake eyes sort of thing. So I think those will be really cool if I make another dragon or Cthulhu or something like that. So yeah. I got her some cool stitch markers, butterflied ones. And also some plastic needles. So somebody had mentioned to me that they use the longer needles for amigurumi, and that made a lot of sense to me, and I didn't know about that, and because I don't really do many amigurumi, so I got her those with the plastic ones. And then they also had some, you know, like bent tip needles. Those are all needles, darning needles, different sizes. And the Darn Good Yarn had sent with their December a nice zipper bag, so I'm going to gift that to her. And I got these on clearance, the Susan Bates bent tip needles, which I'm going to send to her. And I got some, gave her some more of my stitch markers. These are cool, like plant ones. I got them off of Amazon, so different flowers and plants. So that's pretty cool. They're on the bigger side. And then I had bought these little fruit ones that remind me of little gummy erasers, so I'm going to give her some of those that I have left over. Because the stitch markers she has are giving her issues, so they were hard to open and close. And then I had given her a Susan Bates hook, which are one of these, the twist and locks, and she lost one day. She refound it again, thank goodness, but so I'm taking her extra handles with the 2 hook sizes, and then also the tips with the cutter. This one's the F with a G and the cutter. Yeah, the F, which is a 3.75 millimeter, and the G is the 4 millimeter. And they're actually the color that usual Susan Bates uses. So that's the J and the K hook, this, which is the 6 millimeter and 6.5 millimeter, the H and the K, which is the 5 millimeter H8, or the K 6.5 millimeter, and this one's the H and the I, which is the 5 millimeter is the blue, and the I9 is the 5.5 millimeter, which is the red. Yes. I also got her this cool the granny square deck one for her. I've shown it before on my channel, so here is the link to where I showed it when I bought it up there, but I don't remember what video that is. And I don't want to open that box for her, but you can see they look like this. They're cards. They're really nice, well done cards. You have the picture on the front and then the diagram on how to crochet it on the back. So usually you don't have a lot of words, so that should be easier for her to use with it not being like a pattern book in English. And then I also got her that safety eye tool in case she has problems putting in the eyes for some of the stuff. And I actually tried it out and it worked fine for me. So I don't know, $5 or $6 on Amazon. It has a little lock here to unlock it to use it. You put the base here on the bottom, put the eye there. Be careful you don't scratch it, and then squeeze. And also, in case you didn't know, it has this part here, which is a tool that you just push out. And it's, if you're going to use smaller, it's an adapter. It's like that. You take it out from here. You put it in here where you have the hole, so you can do safety eyes with smaller bases. So that's what that's for there. So yeah, and then you just put it back in its spot. So that was everything I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great time, great night, great weekend, great day. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye. And I'm also going to record other videos, so I might be wearing the same thing. But anyways, thanks. Bye.